Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and if you want to make some personalized cards and have a fun art project, then the Funto cold pressed watercolor paper cards that are blank and envelopes are what you're looking for. I ordered these recently and I am loving them. Let me show you how cute they are. I mean, this is just a watercolor that I did. If you're more artistic, then you can do a better job. But I'm so excited to personalize cards to my friends. I've been getting into sending cards, and it's just so much more fun when you actually send something personal. I was thinking also, if you have kids, they would love this.
Look how fun and easy it is to create a little work of art with these Funto papers with just your typical watercolors. Kids would love them, anybody, and they're so fun and so relaxing to make.
So the Funto watercolor press cards, they also are non-toxic. There's no harsh chemicals in them, so that's also nice. So the cold press paper is not going to make you sick. So I highly recommend these Funto blank watercolor cards and envelopes, and that's my point of view.